Everyone has blind spots, areas of our skills, behaviors, or knowledge that we aren't fully aware of. These blind spots can impede personal and professional development if left unaddressed. When someone reviews these blind spots and provides constructive feedback, that presents valuable opportunities for improvement. A review is an assessment of something with the possibility or intention of instituting change if necessary. Based on the industry, methodology, or organizational practices, review can have varying meanings and applications. Let's talk through 4 types of reviews. First, performance reviews. These are also known as employee evaluations or appraisals. Performance reviews are the assessment of an individual's job performance over a specific period. They typically occur annually or semi-annually and aim to evaluate an employee's contributions, skill sets, achievements, and areas for improvement. Next, product reviews. This is the assessment and critique of a particular product or service. These reviews are commonly found online, on e-commerce platforms, social media, or dedicated review websites. They serve as a source of information for potential buyers, offering insight into the product's features, quality, and overall user experience. For businesses, positive product reviews can enhance brand credibility and trust, while negative reviews, sometimes perceived as damaging, are meant to highlight areas for improvement. Code review is third on our list. In software development, a code review involves examining source code to identify bugs, improve code maintainability, and facilitate knowledge sharing among team members. Lastly, financial reviews. This is the examination of an organization's financial statements, transactions, and overall financial health, essentially for investors, stakeholders, and regulatory compliance. My recommendation is for organizations to consider applying the principles of reviews, that is, actively seeking feedback on their processes, products, and services to institute change where necessary. Please hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next nugget.